Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix using CyberGhost VPN. In short, CyberGhost is a tool that lets you change your virtual location so you can access content that isn't normally available in your region. With this app, you can browse Netflix catalogs from around the world and stream your favorite movies and shows in high definition without buffering or lag. Before we jump in, if you'd like to try CyberGhost at any time, just visit vpn-club.com/cg or click the link in the description below. It will take you to the best deal currently available. CyberGhost has many strengths, including its ability to bypass geo-restrictions and its ultra-fast speeds, which allow you to stream your favorite content without interruptions. Let's move on to the demo. Here is how to watch Netflix with CyberGhost. Let's look at a concrete example, Forrest Gump. I'll use Unblocks to check which countries offer this movie. As you can see, it's available on Netflix in the US. Now I'll open CyberGhost. I go to the For Streaming tab. I select the server optimized for Netflix US and click this button. It's connecting. This only takes a few seconds. And that's it. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the US. I refresh the page. And there we go. I now have access to the US Netflix catalog. Let's search for Forrest Gump. Perfect. I can now watch this movie, which normally isn't available in my country. As you can see, the stream runs smoothly with no lag. That's how easy it is to watch Netflix with CyberGhost, and as you've seen, it works perfectly. To try it yourself, go to vpn-club.com/cg or click the link below this video. As mentioned earlier, it will lead you to the best offer available right now. I've shown you the process on a computer, but the exact same principle applies to smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. It's also the same method for accessing Netflix libraries from other countries. CyberGhost offers servers in over 100 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Russia, Japan, South Korea, and many more. It's also worth noting that CyberGhost comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee. This means you can use the service for several weeks with no restrictions and request a full refund if you're not satisfied. Beyond Netflix, CyberGhost also helps you browse more privately, secure your connection, bypass internet censorship, save money on subscription, and much more. That's all for today. You now know how to watch Netflix with CyberGhost. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you soon.